Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Nausheen Mobeen, and today I have a guest with me, and he is my daddy, Mobeen Mobeen. Oh no, he is Mohammed Mobeen. So introduce yourself.
Hi friends, my name is Mohammed Mubin. I am into entertainment industries from last 6 months, and I pursued my filmmaking and direction course. Now I am pursuing my acting course from KC.
Okay. So do you know why you are here?
No, not really.
Okay. So we are doing this challenge called as a Never Had I Ever challenge. इसमें बेसिकली ये होगा कि आई आस्क यू फ्यू क्वेश्चंस और अगर आपने वो चीज़ कभी किए हो तो हैव टू शो दिस कार्ड कॉल्ड आई हैव.
Okay.
ओके यस. और अगर आपने वो काम कभी नहीं किया हो सो यू हैव टू शो दिस कार्ड कॉल्ड एज आई हैव नेवर.
Okay.
और ये जो भी क्वेश्चन आई आस्क ना वो सब इंस्टाग्राम फैमिली ने मुझे दिए. लाइक मैंने पोल डाला था एंड दे हैव गिवन मी द क्वेश्चंस. सो रेडी?
Yeah.
So having said that, let's get into this video.
Okay. Video.
So let's begin with the first question. So the first question is, never have I ever grabbed the wrong person's hand in public.
Okay.
So 1, 2,
My answer is I have.
I have.
And you will have to explain.
Yes, yes, you have to.
So the incident was like मैं अपने एक फ्रेंड के ऑफिस में बैठा हुआ था. तो वहाँ पर एक बंदा आया जो कि मे बी 20-21 साल का रहा होगा और एकदम पतला सा था. टी शर्ट जीन्स वगैरह डाला हुआ था, कैप उसने पहना हुआ था एंड ही वाज सेलिंग समथिंग. ही वाज अ सेल्समैन. तो वो आया और उसने अपना प्रोडक्ट वगैरह बताना शुरू किया और हम लोगों ने मतलब कुछ लेने के बदले मतलब वो चेक करने में उसे ऐसा लगा कि हम उसका टाइम वेस्ट कर रहे हैं और लेने वाले नहीं है.
Okay.
सो ही वाज लाइक कि चलो यार मैं निकलता हूँ एंड वो उठ के जाने लगा. तो एज सुन एज वो जाने लगा तो मैंने उसका हाथ पकड़ा. आई ग्रैब हिज हैंड, सॉरी हर हैंड.
Okay.
और जैसे ही मैंने उसको बोला ना अरे बैठ ना यार, क्या लड़की लोग के जैसा वो कर रहा है. तो शी वाज लाइक लड़की जैसा मतलब मैं लड़की हूँ इसलिए मैं लड़की जैसी फील. एंड आई वाज लिटरली आई वाज शॉक्ड बिकॉज़ इट वाज अ वेरी प्लेजेंट इंसिडेंट. एंड सो अभी तक मेरे ज़हन में है और अच्छा मतलब मैं भी कभी कभी गलत हो सकता हूँ, उस दिन मुझे पता चला. So this was my experience.
Okay, so mine is very basic. Like I have a habit to hold hands and then walk. So कभी भी मॉल में या कहीं पर भी हम शॉपिंग जाते हैं तो फिर मैं हाथ पकड़ लेती हूँ. तो बेसिकली हम लोग बैंड्रा में शॉपिंग करने गए थे और अप्पी नहीं थे मेरे साथ. आई मीन अप्पी और मम्मी थे और पर अप्पी मम्मी के साथ थी और मैं अकेली थी. तो वहाँ पर एक दीदी थी, मैंने कपड़े लिए और मैं जा रही थी और मैं वो दीदी का हाथ पकड़ लिया. मुझे लगा वो अप्पी है तो हम ऐसे जा रहे हाय. वो दीदी बोलती हाय हु आर यू. तो फिर मुझे रियलाइज हुआ कि नहीं वो दीदी है, अप्पी नहीं है. फिर मैं अप्पी को ढूंढने गई. और so moving on to question number 2, never have I ever skipped college by lying.
It's a very common one, yeah.
I have.
Yeah. And the reason is like for Bandra Fair and maybe couple of good movies which at that time like मैंने प्यार किया and क़यामत से क़यामत तक.
Okay.
So for and करण अर्जुन. So ये सब पिक्चरें ऐसी थी कि इसके लिए तो बनता ही है दोस्त. हाँ तो उस टाइम पे काफ़ी कॉलेजेस वगैरह लेक्चर बंक किए और उस टाइम पे बैंड्रा फेयर हमारे लिए ना एक वो होता था कि मतलब बैंड्रा फेयर आ गया ना तो नथिंग इज मच इम्पोर्टेंट देन बैंड्रा फेयर. मतलब हाँ आप लोगों के लिए काला घोड़ा है ना. आवर टाइम ना इट यूज्ड टू बी बैंड्रा फेयर. आपने तो नहीं किया ना?
किया है मैंने. ओह माय गॉड. पर मैं आज से आप बाहर जाते थे एडवेंचर, मैं इतना एडवेंचरस नहीं थी. सो एक बार क्या हुआ था कि हमारा पहले अटेंडेंस होता है और फिर लेक्चर होता है. ठीक है. तो हम बीके का लेक्चर था. बीके मुझे बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं. ओके. तो मैंने अटेंडेंस दिया और फिर मैंने सर को बोला कि सर वॉशरूम जाना. तो सर बोले ओके जा सकते हो. तो और ना हमारे कॉलेज में ना बैग के साथ आप जा सकते हो कहीं पर. बैग क्लास में नहीं छोड़ना है. बैग के साथ. फिर मैंने बैग लिया मैं क्लास से गई, मैं अपने बिल्डिंग से उतरी, फिर कैंटीन, फिर लाइब्रेरी, फिर लेक, फिर कैंटीन, लाइब्रेरी, लेक, मैं बाहर नहीं जाती थी. सो मैं टीचर को झूठ बोल के फिर कॉलेज में ही रहती थी. सो दैट वाज माय एक्सप्लेनेशन. मूविंग ऑन टू थर्ड क्वेश्चन. नेवर हैव आई एवर कुक्ड विद माय फादर.
For this, my answer will be
I have never.
I also have never, because my father is always a Patel. He get thing to be done. मतलब वो कभी बनाते नहीं थे, वो बनवाते थे.
हाँ.
So the same thing is with me also. मैं बनाता नहीं हूँ, but हाँ बनवाने के लिए I get things done for me. और बनाने के लिए I can just make Maggi, that also within 2 minutes. And omelette
Yeah.
and tea. Otherwise I only eat.
Okay, so my explanation for this is very basic. My father believes in eating and not cooking, so he only eats and I only.
You cook.
I do. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Fine. Agree, na? Yeah, agree.
Okay. Moving on to next question.
Hmm.
This question is by Ishanya. Okay.
Okay.
Ishanya. Never have I ever missed my BFF's birthday.
BFF birthday.
Yeah.
So my answer is I never.
Don't lie. I have.
No,
You
no,
have
no.
never missed your BFF's birthday, huh?
Yeah, I have a logic for that ना.
Tell me.
अगर कोई लोग मतलब किसी इंसान का बर्थडे अगर मिस करते हो ना,
हाँ.
तो 110% sure he or she is not your BFF,
Okay.
because when it comes to BFF,
Hmm.
you know the
Yeah,
meaning
yeah,
of BFF,
yeah.
na? Best friend
Friend
forever.
forever, yeah.
That means you will have to arrange, manage or do anything
Yeah.
for that particular person.
बट उस टाइम पे जब इशानी का बर्थडे था तब मैं बॉक्सिंग के लिए थी.
No matter ना.
ईद का बर्थडे था.
उसके लिए क्या करते हैं, अगर ऐसा है ना तो हम लोग एक दिन पहले सेलिब्रेट करते हैं या एक दिन बाद कर देते हैं. बट ये नहीं कि मतलब वो बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं और आई एम नॉट देयर,
Yeah.
so it's not done. Nice question, Ishani. Yeah, nice. You will have to.
Okay, moving on to so my question. Yes, I've missed thrice.
Whoa,
Thrice.
keep it up.
I'll kill you, man. I missed thrice my best friend's birthday, so I'm sorry for that. I'm very sorry. Moving on to next question. Never have I ever smoked.
I have.
I have never.
Because according to me, the government is now planning to give me Bharat Ratna or maybe like that award, because I started smoking at the age of maybe 16 or 17 in my FY or SY at that time, and till now I am completely dedicated. But we'll have to.
Dedicated.
But lockdown, I
Yeah.
had completely
Stopped.
stopped my smoking, and I had given commitment to my sir,
Yes.
Samar sir,
Yes.
कि maybe from the end of March or from the beginning of April I will completely quit smoking. Yeah. So for that right now I'm not smoking from last 15 to 20 days.
Okay.
So all thanks to Samar sir.
Thank you.
Guruji.
Okay, so the question continues by when was the first time you did? So FY.
Yeah, FYJC, yeah. That's the only time na we get matured.
Mature, huh? Okay, so my explanation for this question is I don't like smoking. Like, if it is hookah, then it is good. But if it's cigarette, no. Complete no. Okay?
Yeah, good.
Moving on to next question. Never have I ever danced in a random place. I have.
Yeah. Because when it comes to dance, na, so random place like Bandra Fair was our.
Bandra Fair, yeah,
it was
spot.
our. What do you tell? Adda.
Adda, hub,
Hub.
He danced well, but I don't like. I'm not into that dance that much because like I only dance in Ganesh Visarjan that time, and once last to last year Goa cruise.
On the cruise, na?
Cruise,
It was also a good experience.
Good experience, yeah. That was only the memory. Moving on to next question. This is a spicy question.
Okay.
Never have I ever had a crush.
this my answer is yes.
I have.
And if at all I will say I have never, then the audience knows na, because they have also been through that, and the young generation is going through that. So crush is just a normal thing na.
How many questions?
Keep the list, yeah. Because at a time it was like, chalo, let's talk some other day. Moving on to the next question.
Moving on to the next question. Okay. Have you ever took someone on a special date?
Now it's getting a bit lethal.
I've never.
Good.
Good?
Yeah. Because at that time I was having a very good and decent look now also. And I was a good dancer,
Yeah.
and I was a perfect entertainer.
Yes.
So I was like, बोलते ना कि मतलब
Complete package.
हाँ, icing on top on the
Yes,
icing or something
cake.
like that.
Cherry on the top, yeah.
Cherry on the top.
Yeah.
तो जब अब तक हम नहीं जाते थे तब तक महफिल ही नहीं सजती थी.
Oh.
So it was like that.
The complete boyfriend package.
Yeah. And still, see na, they are missing.
Oh. Moving on to next question. Have you ever stalked anyone of your opposite gender? Like any girl or anyone? I mean.
Celebrity or non-celebrity, na?
No, only like your friends, not celebrity.
I have never.
I have.
Because for me it was like मांगा हुआ सब चीज पूरा हो जाता है तो what the hell to stalk and
Yeah.
all bullshit.
I mean, while
My friends were also very good. If they come to know na कि he's not till now he was a friend and
Yes.
now he's not like a friend, he is something more. So they also
Okay.
were very
Serious,
sensible. Yeah.
So what is happening? I've stopped like talking about social media. I mean, I go through their profile, their followings, and what kind of person they are. Then only I talk, because I have that habit. So I can't talk randomly with people. I just have to stalk their profile and see if they are
They are
worth
deserving
talking or not.
Yeah,
I have
definitely.
that habit. Okay?
Now according to the situation it's very necessary also.
Yeah. And if they are not, then I don't talk. I just
Perfect.
block them.
Perfect. Yeah.
Yeah. So that's our explanation. Moving on to next question. Ever did something which your dad doesn't like and lied to him about it and he's still unaware about that? I have.
You have. Everyone, still I am unaware. Good. So my explanation is like in those days I used to play very much of cricket,
Yeah.
box system,
Yes.
and we were champ, Blue Fighter Sports Club.
Wow.
So at that time I was in SSC,
Yes.
and during the boards and all, I just used to carry my 21 sets and tell my dad कि अब्बा मैं जा रहा हूँ अपने फ्रेंड्स लोग के साथ ग्रुप स्टडीज है. हाँ, तो my dad used to like okay बेटा all the best. और जैसे ही मैं घर से बाहर कदम रखता था तो 21 sets used to go back side and I just asked where is the bat.
Yeah.
और उसके बाद फिर not for small reason we used to go means at the time we had played all over Bombay.
Okay.
You just name the ground and we are there.
Wow.
And all my friends who played with me should agree with this.
Yes.
Yeah.
So my reason for this is my father doesn't like जब हम लोग चल रहे हैं रास्ते में तब खाते खाते या फोन पे बात करते करते बात कर रहे हैं वैसे हमको नहीं पसंद. ओके. सो एक दो बार या 2 3 4 5 बार मैं खाते खाते आती हूँ रास्ते पे. Don't do it. I asked you, don't.
Okay.
So मेरी हैबिट है, मुझे बहुत भूख लगती है तो
You can come at home and eat ना यार.
And on to next question. This is spicy.
Okay.
Have you ever invited your ex-girlfriend in your wedding?
Ex-girlfriend in my wedding. I have never.
I'm not married. The ex can't
Okay,
belong
then
to
yeah,
me.
this question doesn't.
Yeah, belongs to me. It's yours.
So it's like till my marriage, na, it was completely over, and I was at that time 24, 25 years old. So I purposely, from my side,
Yeah.
I just wind up each and everything.
Thing.
Yeah, and when I entered into marriage, na, I literally stopped dancing. I stopped playing cricket. Yeah, the only thing after my marriage was only to do business and
And
earn
your
money.
family.
And that's it. So, and
Giving up on
yeah.
dreams, oh my god.
Yeah, it's necessary. For me, it's necessary.
Yeah. Okay, so continuing this question, how many girlfriends do you have?
Friends, now we'll have to make the diary.
So moving on to next question, have you ever shoplifted?
Shoplifted, oh.
Yes,
Now,
I have.
yeah, my answer is I have, but you cannot ask how many times.
Why? Why so?
Because as I told, we were into cricket.
Oh, yeah,
so
yeah.
we used to need, every time we need ball.
Yeah.
And if we are playing overarm, we used to arrange tennis ball. And if we are playing underarm, we used to get that Costco ball, green ball, which they use for long tennis.
Acha.
So they were very costly, na? Somewhere 50 rupees, 40 rupees, and
At
20
that
rupees,
time.
and 50 rupees.
Yeah.
So again, the logic was same. कि यार अगर हमारे जैसे आदमी पैसा देके बॉल खरीदे तो गए
You and your team,
yeah.
God.
We are like going to the shop, अंकल से पूछना अंकल वो वाला कितने का है ऐसे ऐसे अंकल टर्न ओपन द बॉल एंड टर्न ओके अंकल बाद में आते हैं it was like prestigious for us. Yeah, we cannot buy the ball and pay and get the ball. This was the logic.
Nice. So for me, okay, I'll not name that shop, but एक बार हम शॉपिंग के लिए गए थे और
अच्छा
मुझे रिंग बहुत पसंद आ गई, तो पता है ना बारबी वाला स्टार वाला, तो मेरे को बहुत पसंद आ गई थी और शायद मैंने बोला नहीं था या पापा मम्मी दिला नहीं रहे थे, मेरे को नहीं पता, बट जस्ट सब शॉपिंग कर रहे थे और शायद बिलिंग का टाइम था, तो मैंने ऐसे ऐसे करके वो ऐसे ले लिया।
तो क्या था उसमें, कितना पीस था?
मैं बहुत सारा, मेरे को एक ही चाहिए था, बट उसमें बहुत, मतलब मेरे को लगा मेरे लिए बन गया वो,
पूरा चाट ही उठा लिया था,
पूरा
And
उठा ही
वो-
लिया था।
बाद में वो हमें पता कब चला, मेरे ख्याल से घर पे आने के बाद, एंड आई वाज लाइक यार ये क्या है यार,
भाई आपसे ही मिला है सब कुछ। Dream.
So, but we used to do purposely, and you did it unknowingly because you were very small kid, na, maybe
So,
four,
six standard or six standard, no, sorry.
No.
6 years. 5 years.
5-6 years.
Yeah. So,
Second time.
yeah. Last question for this challenge.
Okay, thank God.
Thank God. So the question says, never have I ever farted in a public place.
Again, the
Um,
logic will be, request will be, don't ask how many times.
yeah.
Because it's
I'll
a natural
admit,
phenomena, you cannot
natural.
deny.
Exactly.
If Kareena Kapoor says she had, I'm not greater than her.
Uh-huh.
And not accepting that, I have never, I'm a son. Not like that. It's a natural phenomena. Just we'll have to take the precaution to wait for the sound or the music going around or anything like that. If we are driving, so unnecessarily press the horn.
So I was like,
Yeah, the condition should get
Oh
under
God.
control. That's
Yeah. So I was a shameless kid, and I am. Okay, so जब सब बैठे रहते ना, मम्मी पापा अपी भाई बहन सब तब आराम से ऐसे आवाज आती है, आपको पता चलता है तो वो मैं हूँ।
Deadly, yeah.
That is my problem. पता है लिफ्ट में, चाहे वो लिफ्ट में हो, चाहे वो घर में हो, चाहे वो बेडरूम में हो ही जाता है।
So it's natural phenomena.
It's not natural and we can't control it. And I must tell you, you should fart. कुछ हर्ज नहीं है।
हाँ, because उसको रोकना भी it's very dangerous. Yeah, it's very dangerous. Only for people दिखावे के लिए कि लोग क्या it doesn't make any sense. Yeah. According to me.
So that was all.
Thank God.
So I think you have done justice with all the questions. सब
And
correct.
hope आप लोगों ने enjoy भी किया होगा.
Yes. So yeah guys, guys, that was all for this challenge. I hope you have liked it, and if you have did so, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and like the video if you like it. Until we meet, XO.
XO. Bye bye.
Bye.